Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are making the another recipe from the dosa batter, that is masala dosa. So as you all know that we have heated the pan, then add around 1 teaspoon of oil, then apply the onion. After applying, sprinkle some water so that now take the dosa batter. So after giving the shape of the dosa, this is the so easiest masala dosa we are making here. So after you can see that it's completed of making dosa shape. Now add 2-3 drops of oil so that it leaves from the pan. After adding that, we'll take the aloo curry. So you can see I've made it in a smoothie liquidy aloo curry, so you can easily spread over the dosa. So do not forget to watch my back two videos on dosa, that is one of that is butter dosa and another one is tomato garlic dosa. So go and watch that. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give more support and love as much as you can. So you can see here I have applied the aloo curry. So now leave it around 1 to 2 minutes, then add onions or you can add coriander leaves as on your taste. It is just optional. So you can see it's cooking. I've added your coriander leaves. So you can see it is turned into golden brown color and it's easily leaves from the pan and it's perfectly cooked. The combination with the dosa, you can have your coconut chutney or your lemon pickle, which gives the best taste. So you can see it is ready. So have a taste. Thank you. Bye bye.